You open your Pi wallet and your balance is zero. Or maybe you lost your phone and with it, you lost your 24-word passphrase. You feel that sinking feeling in your stomach, thinking years of mining gone forever. The 6 years you have put into mining the Pi network is gone forever. Before you do anything else, watch the entire video because what you do in the next 5 minutes could be the difference between saving your Pi and losing it for good. I'm going to answer the most critical questions about lost passphrases, creating new wallets, and what happens to your migrated coins. By the end of this video, you will have a clear step-by-step action plan. Let's get into it. The passphrase is everything. Your Pi wallet is a non-custodial wallet. You know that's a fancy term, but it means you are the bank. Do you understand? You are the sole custodian of that wallet. The Pi core team doesn't have your Pi phrase. They don't have it myself. No one does. This is for your security, but it also means responsibility. This simply means that you have responsibility of securing your wallet. So question 1, can I recover my lost passphrase? The direct answer is no. There is no forget passphrase button because it's a non-custodial wallet. I need you to understand that it's mathematically impossible to recover. Anyone or any website telling you that they can recover it for you, they're scammers. But this doesn't mean your Pi is lost. Question 2. I lost my passphrase and created a new wallet. Why is my balance zero? I get these questions all the time. A lot of people have been asking this question because many pioneers have facing this. Now, this depends on one simple thing. Have you migrated to the mainnet yet? Now, to break this down more so that you can understand exactly what I mean by asking you that question, if you have migrated to the mainnet yet, I'm going to take time to give you 2 scenarios that can explain this better for everybody to understand. Now, scenario A. The first scenario is you have not migrated. If your MinePi is still in the mining app and hasn't been transferred to the mainnet, you are in luck. Your Pi is safe. The new wallet you create is just empty. All you need to do is go back to your mainnet checklist, find the step for confirming your wallet address. I think it's step number 3 or number 4, and replace the old lost wallet address with the new one. When you do this, you simply connect the new wallet to the mainnet. Once you do that, your Pi will migrate to the new and secure wallet. But remember, the migration will only happen when it is your turn. You have already migrated. Now, this is a tricky one. This is a tough one. If your Pi was already sent to the wallet that you lost the passphrase for, that Pi is inaccessible. I'll repeat, that Pi is as good as lost. Creating a new wallet won't bring it back because the coins are not in the app anymore. They are on the blockchain, locked in that old wallet. I know that's hard to hear, but it's the reality of non-custodial wallets. This also answers the question, I created a new wallet by accident. How do I get it back? So for those of you asking that question, what I just explained also answers that question. If you haven't migrated, just use the passphrase for your old wallet. If you have, you must use the wallet your Pi was migrated to. Finally, question 3. My passphrase might be compromised. What do I do? This is a situation that arises a lot. You need to pay attention to this. If you have not migrated, your solution is simple. Create a new wallet immediately. Get that new passphrase, save it securely offline, and update your mainnet checklist with the new wallet address. Do not use the compromised one. If you have already migrated to the compromised wallet, you need to create a new wallet and transfer your coins from the compromised wallet to the new one as fast as you can. If you don't, a scammer will get to it before you. Now, let's recap the plan so that you understand everything that we have discussed in this video. Remember, if you have a lost passphrase, forget it. It cannot be recovered. If you are not migrated yet, you are safe. Create a new wallet and update your mainnet checklist. If you already migrated, your Pi is locked in the old wallet. Secure any future Pi by creating a new wallet, but the old funds are likely inaccessible. You might not be able to access them. If this video gave you clarity and a path forward, do me a favor and hit the like button. It helps the algorithm show this to other pioneers in a panic. And subscribe so that you don't miss our next video where we'll tackle every single KYC issue you can imagine. My name is Tony and this is Basic Knowledge. Until my next video, keep mining.